Discover why satin headrest covers from Ms. Make It Satin Bonnet Shop are an absolute must-have for your car. Ready for smoother journeys? 1. The luxurious satin fabric prevents hair snags and tangles, turning every ride into a salon-like experience while keeping styles intact. Point 2. Say goodbye to the nuisance of static and hair frizz. It's like cruising with perfect hair every time. Point 3. The chic design elevates the car's interior, adding a touch of elegance and personalization that draws compliments. Transform car rides into an indulgent retreat with these covers and relish the blend of comfort and style.